what you would need to do is go into Window, Shapes. Now, before you go into any of the shapes, go into this top right button at the top of this menu. It looks like a little paragraph. That's what I call it, these little lines here. I'm going to click on it, and you're going to go to Legacy Shapes and More. When you click on Legacy Shapes and More, it should be in here. Now, if you cannot find it, and this is just a bit, you would just type in star and see what comes up. The one that we're using is the solid star, not this one here. That's a 5-point star and solid white, as opposed to this one here or any of these. Okay, so you would choose that one. Once you have that one, you can click on your screen and you would just go and click and draw into your page. And then if I want to change the color to match this red, just make sure you just double click on that star, go into color overlay and click on this color overlay. Right now it's like a gray. I'm going to click on that. And instead of clicking in here, you're going to go into this specific red, click on it, and that will pick up that red, the brand of the Purina One red, and press OK. And then all you have to do is add a stroke, which will be adding a white stroke, and that's not bad amount of stroke. And maybe a drop shadow on it, just very slight drop shadow. As you can see, you can play with the drop shadow distance, all of that. I don't want too much, just a very slight one. And you can continue adjusting it. If it's too small, you can continue making it big. And then with my move tool, just move it around. And if I want to slightly rotate it, I just go onto the corners and you can see my cursor changed. I'm just going to slightly rotate it and then move it up a bit.